So if you want to see how I made this beautiful glam tier tray, stay tuned and watch. Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today, we have a special collaboration and it's called This Is My Thing Collab, and that's hosted by Khreacioness. So what I'm going to be doing is linking the hosts and the co-hostesses, including myself, down below, along with our channel links and the playlist. So make sure and head on over there, subscribe to our channel, full watch the videos, because this helps us and support our channels. I cannot wait for you to see what each one of us have to create. So what I'm going to be doing here is creating a mini glam tier tray with items that I purchased mostly from the Dollar Tree. Remember that all the items that I'm using to create this craft will be listed in the description box below. So let's get into the video, guys. So from the silver section of the Dollar Tree, I got a pack of these plates. They're absolutely beautiful with the silver border. We're going to be using 2 for the top, 2 for the bottom. We're also going to be using the small little wooden cubes, and we're going to be using the clear loose gems. We're also going to be using a tea light holder. This is going to come out absolutely gorgeous. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to grab those wooden cubes and we're going to place 4 on the plate. We're going to try to keep those even, so like 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom. This is going to give us enough room to glue the loose gems. So now this process we're going to repeat twice because we're doing 2 layers, 1 for the bottom, 1 for the top. So as you can see here, the gap is just enough room for you to glue the loose gems all the way around the plate. And remember, we're doing that twice. We're going to go around the first plate, all the way around with the gems. Then we're going to move on over to the tea light holder, then back to the plates. So I'm just going to leave you to enjoy the video. You'll see what I'm talking about. So I hope you enjoy it. Okay, I finished going around the first plate, and then what we're gonna do is get the tea light holder. We're gonna fill the inside of that with clear gems, and then we're gonna glue one part of the tea light holder to that plate that I finished. Then we'll move on to the bottom half of that tray. Okay, all done with the bottom layer now. So now we're just going to put some hot glue on the bottom of that tea light holder and then place it in the center. Is that not just gorgeous? It's one of the cutest things I've ever done. I am so proud of this piece. It's so cute. You can use it for anything. Okay, so this mini tea tray you can pretty much use to display anything. You can use it to display food. You can take it in your room and put it on your vanity, display makeup. The possibilities are endless. So now we're going to move on over to the reveal of this piece. So I really hope you enjoyed the video. So if you did, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. And don't forget to head on over to that playlist so that you can watch everyone's videos. It's so exciting. I'll see you in the next one.